Welcome to this presentation on modded Z-source DC circuit breaker with enhanced performance during commissioning and reclosing. This research was conducted by Venkata Raghavendra et al. And published in 16th January 2023. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Direct current DC power transfer is increasingly used in various applications like microgrids, data centers, and electric vehicles due to its advantages over AC systems. However, the lack of natural current zero crossing and the rapid rise of fault currents in DC systems pose challenges for fast and reliable fault protection. Conventional AC circuit breakers struggle to extinguish arcs in DC systems. The research begins by analyzing the operation of a conventional series Z-source DC circuit breaker Z SCB and highlighting the issues encountered during its commissioning and reclosing phases. This analysis includes deriving analytical expressions for currents and voltages in various components during starting transients, employing state space equations and Laplace transforms. The analysis of the conventional series Z-SCB revealed significant issues during commissioning and reclosing. Specifically, experimental and simulation results showed unwanted power flow in the load during commissioning, negative current flow through the load during reclosing, and a high peak current 60.8 ampere in the SCR during reclosing. The proposed MZ-SCB topology effectively resolved these problems. The presented modified Z-source DC circuit breaker MZ-SCB successfully addresses critical limitations of conventional Z-source DC circuit breakers Z-SCBs related to commissioning and reclosing operations. The core innovation lies in the utilization of IGBTs to actively manage the charge state of the Z-source capacitor C1. This article has presented a modified Z-source DC circuit breaker MZ-SCB designed to overcome critical challenges in conventional Z-source DC circuit breakers Z-SCBs. Specifically, the MZ-SCB effectively resolves issues of negative current circulation in the load during reclosing and commissioning, prevents unwanted power flow to the load during commissioning, and reduces the high starting current experienced by the main SCR during reclosing and commissioning.